Hey everyone, today, we've got something truly exciting for you. A detailed review of the all-new 2025 BMW X5. From its striking design to its powerful performance, this luxury SUV is set to impress. So buckle up and let's dive into what makes the 2025 BMW X5 stand out in its class. Let's start with the front design. The 2025 BMW X5 greets you with an imposing presence, featuring the signature kidney grille, which is now larger and more pronounced than ever. The grille is flanked by sleek, adaptive LED headlights that not only enhance visibility, but also give the X5 a sharp, modern look. The front bumper is sculpted to perfection, integrating air intakes that not only add to the aggressive aesthetic, but also improve aerodynamics. Moving to the side, the X5 maintains a balanced and robust profile. The strong character lines running from the front fender to the rear taillights accentuate its muscular stance. The large, multi-spoke alloy wheels further enhance its sporty appeal, while the high ground clearance and well-defined wheel arches give it a rugged yet refined look. The subtle chrome accents along the window line add a touch of elegance to the overall design. At the rear, the 2025 BMW X5 continues to impress with its stylish and functional design. The sleek LED taillights provide a distinctive signature that's easily recognizable, even from a distance. The rear bumper is integrated with sporty dual exhaust outlets, emphasizing the SUV's performance capabilities. The overall rear design is clean and cohesive, reflecting BMW's commitment to blending style with functionality. Step inside, and you're greeted with a luxurious and tech-savvy cabin. The interior of the 2025 X5 is crafted with high-quality materials, including premium leather, real wood trims, and brushed metal accents. The center console features a large, high-resolution touchscreen that controls the latest iDrive infotainment system, offering seamless connectivity and a host of features. The digital instrument cluster provides clear and customizable information right in front of the driver. The seating is both comfortable and supportive, with plenty of space for passengers in both the front and rear. The panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, enhancing the sense of space and luxury. Additionally, the X5 offers ample cargo space, making it practical for both daily use and long road trips. Under the hood, the 2025 BMW X5 comes with a range of powerful engine options. You can choose from a turbocharged inline-6, a V8, or even a hybrid variant, depending on your preference for performance and efficiency. The engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that ensures smooth and responsive shifts. The X5's advanced all-wheel drive system provides excellent traction and stability, making it a joy to drive in various conditions. The X5 also features adaptive suspension, which allows you to adjust the ride quality to your liking, whether you prefer a more comfortable or sportier drive. With its precise steering and robust braking system, the 2025 X5 offers an engaging driving experience that's hard to match in its segment. So there you have it, the 2025 BMW X5, a perfect blend of luxury, performance, and advanced technology. Whether you're looking for a family SUV or a vehicle that delivers driving pleasure, the X5 is a top contender. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new BMW X5 and which feature excites you the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.